Hi sir, good afternoon and good afternoon classmate. This is the report of the last group and our title is here. Our title is Motion and Information Media. So what is motion and information media? It's a form of media that uses moving images and text to communicate information to an audience. So it means it's a form kanang kuan daw ni siya. It's like video nga kanang ginagamit nowadays like TikTok, Facebook, and also Twitter. Mo na siya ang mga tools nga possible na makita tag video. So there are two types daw of information media. So first is we have this we have informally. So informally daw, it means everyday information shared through casual, unofficial and channel like what you find on social media. So ang informally daw, it's all about the videos that dili siya, it's not from the word informal, dili siya formal. It's for example ani is like makita nimo siya sa ang Facebook, like makita mo vlogs and kanang mga memes nga with video. Muna siya ang informal daw. Pero pag sa ikaduha is we have formally. Kakita mo? Formally, and ang formally daw, it refers to information produced and disseminated by professional organization following established standard in editorial process. It means kaning koan formally it came from government officials, which means like for example ang koan ani is like nasa rules and regulations nga ilahang gikuan sa video. So mo na siya ang formally, like mo ana sila nga kani siya nga rules is kailangan ni siya i-implement officially so that